got your girl Rhea here, and if you don't know, Vibez Cosmetics has dropped some pigments. I think it was this past Tuesday. So whatever Tuesday was, let me see. Tuesday was the 30th, so they dropped on the 30th. A lot of people wanted to know how the pigments, you know, placed on the lids. I'm going to do like a little quick mini tutorial on that. So let's get started. One thing I do know about pigments is you need to apply them to a tacky, sticky, or wet consistency base. So I was thinking, why not use my Tarte Shape Tape without setting it? Oh, my light is messed up, but that's okay. They look similar. I should have did it as I was, whatever, man. So I'm going to be going in with this blue, and the blue is called Blue Wave. I'm so used to my camera, my battery is dead. That's as good as it's going to get, guys. Sorry. One thing about my pigments is you don't want to use too much, because if you use too much, you'll be blending for days. So there's holes in it so that too much won't come out, and that'll really help so that you won't pick up so much on your brush. Now, there we go. I had to adjust the lighting, sorry. Let me take it down a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a brush like this, and let's see what we come up with. Okay. Oh, look at that purple, y'all. Now, oh, and I'm sorry. The pink is called Mickey, and I'm gonna go in Pink Passion, which is, of course, the pink one. And this will be an example of too much, but we're gonna see, I think. So now I'm kind of trying to blend the purple into the pink, because all I see is harsh lines. Even though it's a pigment, I don't want that. Like, that ain't the move. What? Now I'm going to get some more of the blue and blend that into the purple. re-wet this side. So I do recommend that you don't go ahead and do both sides. Do one side at a time because this is already dry. So now I have to re-wet it again just so that I can apply this. And from what from learning from what I just did on that side, I'm only going to do this outside first since that's what I'm going to be focusing on for the moment. And we'll see how more smoothly it goes. Alright guys, this completes the look. Let me know in the comments section. Let me know in the comment section below what you think and if you'll be purchasing it. You guys have been asking how does it apply. Now you see I've given you a tutorial and it was my very first time applying pigments in my entire life. So shop with your girl, okay? Go to www.urbanvibescosmetics.com right now and grab you some pigments. What you waiting on, sis? Pigments will be in all year round. Cause I know some of y'all be going out and y'all be wanting to be popping. I'm telling you, don't miss out. Cause once they gone, they gone until I restock. Now, I'll see you guys in another video. Comment below in the comment section if you like seeing me do tutorials with my own products. I enjoy doing them for you guys, and I really do hope that they assist you because, you know, what company, I know some bigger the companies do, but, you know, most companies, they just dish out stuff and you don't know how to apply them. You don't know how it applies. You buy, then you try. But I am, I guess, the guinea pig for you guys, and I definitely don't mind because I believe in my brand and I back my brand 1000%. Okay? So let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.